Kwamanye amacala aphenywa ufakazi u-A kumanje, icala elithinta ukubulawa kukanjiniyela waseVereeniging u-Armand Swart ngo-2024. Utshengise ikhomishana imilayezo ye-WhatsApp eyabe iphakathi kwephoyisa uMichael Pule Tau nosolwa ngokubulala kuleli cala kanye noKatiso Molefe osolwa ngokubulala uDJ Sambodi okumanje ungaphandle ngebheyili ka-R400,000 wamarandi.
This one, the 13th of April 2024, Tau then received a message from Molefe with the name and cell phone number of the person who was identified as an employee for the company called QTech in Vereeniging. I mean, this message was giving the name and the cell phone number of this person who is identified as an employee at QTech. But now, the details of such are not going to be disclosed to the Commission.
Kuboniswe izithombe zemoto yohlobo lwe-Mercedes-Benz Viano yephoyisa elisolwa ngokubulala kuleli cala iyongena emzini kaKatiso Molefe.
We seeing the vehicle, which is the Mercedes-Benz Viano, that was later linked to Tau during arrest, arriving at the house of Katiso Molefe.
Okay.
On the 12th of April 2024, 12:16 minutes. It says on 17 April 2024 at 8:04, the white i20 arrives at Kekana's house in Q at 8:12. Cell phone activity resumes at 8:17.
Ufakazi uthi ngesikhathi bephenya leli cala babesebenza ngaphansi kwesimo esibucayi ngenxa yabantu abathintekayo kulo. Ubufakazi buka-A buzolandelwa ubufakazi bomunye futhi ufakazi u-B naye ophenya amacala obugebengu obuhleliwe.